iOS 18.2 introduces several features that enhance the customization of your iPhone, allowing for a more personalized and user friendly experience. Here is how you can take advantage of these updates. Firstly, simply go to the Settings app on your mobile device. Inside the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the Wallpaper option available there. Inside Wallpaper, tap on the Add New Wallpaper option available there, and this will navigate you to customize your lock screen. Now, all you have to do is now simply tap on the customization, and here you can add any widget you want on your lock screen. If you want battery widget, then simply tap on it and it will be seen on your lock screen. Or if you want any app widget, then you can again tap on it. Now here I scroll up and tap on the any options that I prefer. So I'm not adding any app on my widget. Simply scroll up and there you can see notifications option available of every app. Tap on it, any. So I'm tapping on the Snapchat and I'm tapping on the other widget available there to style my lock screen. So now once you have styled your lock screen, you can also tap on the font option available there. All you have to do is tap on the numbers. As you can see the time, you can tap on it and you will see the font and color option available there. Simply choose any according to your preferences. You can also change the color of your time and date option available. And once you're done, simply tap on the done and in the top right corner and it will be set accordingly. Now, another latest update is go to the home screen. And now in home screen, all you have to do is long press on any app and it will start jiggling. And all you have to do is tap on the customize or edit option available in the top right corner of your screen. Then a drop down menu will appear. Tap on the customize again. Now apply a darker aesthetic to your app icons, which can automatically adjust when your iPhone enters dark mode or remain consistently dark based on your settings. Or you can also do color tinting. You can also personalize your app icons and widget by applying any color of your choice or let iOS suggest a color that complements your wallpaper. So that is it. You can also increase the size of app icon and widget for better visibility with the option to remove the app names underneath for a cleaner look. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.